They called her names, mocked her clothes, but she never stopped being kind.
Look at her clothes. They're testing her.
One night she found something magical but in danger.
It's okay. I'm getting you out of here.
She didn't think twice, she just saved her.
You're safe now. You risked everything for me. Let me change your destiny.
Meet the new CEO changing the world for the cat girl who rose from nothing.
Her kindness became her crown.
Never underestimate